we have here a learner from YS4 who acted as, what's your role in that
Old woman.
what did you do?
I act as the old woman.
And then you won the first place, no? And what was that? Readers what?
Theater.
Readers theater. Okay.
Madami po pong readers theater.
Okay, so that's
First lang ito.
now. Can you tell us an experience? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
And can you tell us what will you say to your other classmates? That they have to practice speaking English?
Yes.
Yes. What?
Ano po, nag-pray po kami. Kaya nag-pray po
nanalo
kami
kayo?
lahat. Kaya po kami nanalo kasi
Oh,
nag-pray.
that's good. Prayer really works, no? Okay, so keep telling them prayer works. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much,
Sophia.
Sophia. Okay.